Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here with
Ava, Sophie,
and we are going to be doing a nature walk with all of them. So let's go, guys.
On my YouTube video, I accidentally.
Yeah, go subscribe to Ava Parker.
Yeah, I have a cute little puppy. Well, guys, let's go.
Yeah. Okay, so
It doesn't matter if you
tell us about what inspired you to be a YouTuber.
Well, my friends are, and my brother, my twin brother, so I'm like, maybe I should try it out. I might give it a try. So yeah, that's why. And I also want people to see me.
Okay.
I've been trying to be, I want to be famous on YouTube, really badly.
Well, what inspired me to be a YouTuber was that I always have wanted to be famous one day, and I know it's probably never going to happen. I just always wanted to, so someone will remember me.
Yeah, me
you,
too.
Sophie?
Yeah, I'm never gonna have a YouTube channel because I bet my sister's not gonna let me have one because she wants to be famous.
No, I would let you, and it's not up to me for you to have a YouTube channel. You gotta ask your parents.
Okay, now let's go show them. Let's go to our parents. It's kind of crazy because they know you're a YouTuber, right?
Anyway,
we're probably gonna make a YouTube video of us swimming.
yeah.
That'll be so much fun.
Let's see.
Well, guys, let's show them how far down this place, how far up we are. Let's go to the deep area.
Yeah, Ava actually lives on a hill.
Yeah, this is my house, not hers.
See how steep that is? Yeah, my house doesn't look like
my
this.
puppy could hurt herself, but she's a strong little pup.
Yeah, we'll make a YouTube.
She's a pack dog because she's a husky.
In one of my first YouTube videos, Lily is learning the Renegade. She's in that. That's Ava's puppy.
Yeah.
Lily.
Renegade. It's so funny. I've seen it. I am gonna subscribe to her. Wait, can you make that thing before we on TikTok? No. What do you make? Oh, I did it. Wait, why can't the parents see us?
Oh, they can. Let's see. Let's go down to here and see the Beanie Boo Island.
Then we can show you.
So, as you can see, in my first Beanie Boo video, I had made a Beanie Boo video. This is where the Beanie Boos like to play. I made this whole place. That's the shed, that's the house, and that's the fencing.
But that's not the only Beanie Boo home. My house got destroyed, but Sophie's is alive. A tornado broke mine.
Yeah, and that's Sophie's. Mine's still standing. We had to repair it a little. Well, I did.
This is mine.
No.
Yeah, Kiki's has I made a little pathway. But there was a snake over here. Let's go.
Yeah, there was like a big snake that was hissing at us. Yeah.
It's like. Did you see us, Tom?
Yeah, this is going to be a short video because we have a snake, so I think we're going to end it here.
Yeah,
so,
we'll make a part 2.
Maybe.
Maybe.
And then, bye guys. See you later. Peace out.